iyalunga-ke yesithembu-ke sikanje ngaye guys, nangu bethu uNomfundo uzomuva into the mansion, kodwa-ke akusiwonke umuntu uzoba happy-ke ngalama changes. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Lamines from the 26th to the 28th of May 2025 on Monday. Vele decide that enough is enough. In Durban, Gwenzo comes to the rescue of an unhinged loved one. Tulsile and Elsiwe are unhappy about the praise for helping to snatch the thief on Tuesday. Pagamani finally confronted Gwenzo, revealing the deep-rooted reason for his hatred. The truth cut deeper than expected. Nomfundo and Peteni gathered the children for a heartfelt decision on Wednesday. Gwenzo vowed to do the right thing in honor of the family. Velepi watches in honor, in horror, as what is most dear to her is ripped out of her hands. Nomfundo moves into a mansion, but not everyone is happy with this new change. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.